And if you remember from before, a left join is where it will retrieve all the data from table 1, but only the matching data from table 2. So in a left join, it matters which table you state first and which table you state second. So we're going to write a query which uses a left join to join the customers and the orders table. And we're going to be joining the two tables between the customer ID column in the orders table and the ID column in the customers table. But to show you an example of the importance of naming table 1 and table 2 in a left join, I've actually had to break the link between the customer ID column in the orders table and the customers column in the ID table for ID equal to 1. So you can see here that I've actually updated the orders table and set customer ID equal to null where the ID is equal to 1. So for order ID 1, we no longer have a customer ID. And I did that specifically for this video to show you the difference between ordering table 1 and table 2 in a left join. So if you want to pause the video and write this update statement, you can do that, and then you can follow along with the select statement afterwards. Okay, so you can see here I've selected the orders ID, the customer's phone number and last name, and the order time from the order table. So to complete this left join query, I'm going to type from orders O, and then on the next line I'm going to type left join on the customers table and call that C, and that's going to be on O.customer ID. So the customer ID column in the orders table is going to be equal to the ID column in the customers table. And then I'm just going to order the results by O.order time. And I'm also going to limit the number of results to 10, just so we only have 10, not too many results in our result set. And then I run this statement, and you can see it's retrieved this data here. So you can see the first line here, we have an order time from the order table and an ID from the orders table as well, but we don't have any information from the customers table. And this is because in a left join, it retrieves all the data from table 1, so the orders table, but it only retrieves matching data in table 2, which is the customers table. And because we did this update, we broke the link between customer ID 1 and ID 1 in the orders table. So the left join was not able to retrieve any data from the customers table for ID 1, but it did return the orders data, so the order time and the ID. And that's because orders was table 1 and customers was table 2. And to show you that this is true, I'm going to run exactly the same select statement, but I'm going to switch table 1 and table 2 around. So I'm going to make the customers table table 1 and the orders table table 2. So let's do that now. So I need to change the from orders to customers, so from customers C, and then I need to do the left join on the orders table, so orders O, and I also need to switch the order round in the on part, so I need to say C.ID is equal to O.customer ID. So I need to switch those two around as well, and then I can run this select statement where I've switched table 1 and table 2 around, and we'll see what we get in the result set. So you can see now from the result set that the first row returned doesn't have an ID of 1, and that's because customers is table 1, so left join is trying to find data from the customers table, but it can't because we've broken the link for ID 1, so it can't return any data on ID 1, and it only returns matching data from the orders table, so we don't get the order time and the ID field for 1 because there was no data from the customers table, but we do get the rest because there was data in the customers table. So this example shows the importance of getting table 1 and table 2 correct when you're using left joins.